Hi, this is Adam Taylor with the ITS group. In the last video we created a GPO for the safeguarding, and in this one we're going to create one for the teachers. Now this will be a very short video because they are very similar. You'll be able to copy the settings from one into the other. So what we'll do is we'll right click on our safeguarding console and hit copy. Then we'll right click on the group policy objects and paste that in. So that's going to clone our existing safeguarding GPO. Now rename it. Give it a really funky name like LanSchool Teacher Console. And then right click and we're going to edit that. So we've done this twice already now. The MSI under software settings is the same, so it doesn't need to be changed. Under the administrative template, we want to just find the settings we set earlier on the last video, which is for the teacher. And the one setting we're going to change is to turn off channel select for the teacher. So we just move that back to not configured. The reason for that is that each teacher will be assigned a channel by the tech console. They will not have the ability to choose their own. That's very important to the underlying structure of LanSchool. We want to make sure that teachers are structured properly, and if they change their own channel, that is just going to mess things up. We'll use the class lists to achieve the same goal. This keeps it nice and locked down. That's the only change to make here. We'll also just go to Preferences, Windows, Registry, and we're just going to delete the channel key. Because again, every teacher will have their own channel. It doesn't make sense to define this at the policy level. Everything else stays the same. And that's all there is to it. So we can drag the teacher onto the teacher OU, and that's done. Very quick video. That's it for the teacher. In the next video, we'll set up one for the students, which again will be very, very quick. And then after that, we are done with group policy and we'll look to set up our servers. Thanks for watching.